Go home happy with the 2023 Acura MDX. Best-selling third-row luxury SUV of all time. Spaciousness, does-it-all vehicle. Designed to fit your lifestyle with style. Designed to surpass expectations. Superior handling. Powerful, high performance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, lane departure warning, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, power passenger seat, power liftgate, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Don't miss the chance to experience the luxury and performance of the MDX. Call us today to set up a test drive.